Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to retrieve deleted Spotify playlist. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to your Spotify account. Now go to your profile. If you don't see your profile, that is the person icon above. So this is your account and you can see options here, but you just have to scroll down and click this recover playlist. Okay, and then all the deleted songs, musics, or albums can be seen here. And what you're going to do is to simply tap recover. You will see a button here that says recover. You just have to tap that one in order to recover your deleted Spotify playlist. And then once you click recover, you can go back to your account and see that your playlist has been retrieved. So that's how easy it is. Again, you just have to go to your profile, go to your account, go to recover playlist, and then click recover. You can open your account in Google Web Browser, Microsoft Edge, and you can also open this in Mozilla Firefox. You just have to go to your account and then go to recovered playlist. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.